Hello everyone, I'm back with yet another superfood recipe, Halim or Aliv seeds. It's also known as garden cress. It's packed with numerous benefits. It balances Vat and Kapha dosh in our body. It's good in weight loss and it also reduces hair loss. It's rich in iron, which improves our hemoglobin, and it is good in dietary fiber, which improves our bowel movement. It also improves our menstrual cycle irregularities. I'll share a laddu recipe with you all. For this, you take 1/4 cup of seeds, soak them overnight. They'll swell up in the volume by morning. I have taken 2 cups of coconut grated or desiccated, whatever you have. Take 1 cup of jaggery powder and half cup of mixed dry fruits. Take 1 spoon of desi ghee in a pan. Now add the soaked halim seeds to the ghee and add coconut to it. Also add jaggery and mix them all. And you keep on stirring it for approximately 6 to 10 minutes. You have to stir this on medium flame unless and until the glue from the seeds is dried up. You need to stir it continuously so that it will leave the pan after some time, but you need to stir it. It is packed with so many nutrients and loaded with calcium and iron, but it should be taken in moderation as they produce lots of warmth in our body. So to balance it, you should drink lots and lots of water after consuming them. Now this mixture is ready to make laddus. So we'll add dry fruits to it and we'll cool it down for some time. Then we'll roll laddus from them. We'll make lemon size balls. From this mixture, we'll be able to make approximately 15-16 laddus. They should be a little smaller than the usual laddus, lemon sized balls. We'll roll them. At room temperature, we can store them for 6 to 7 days in an airtight container, and in a refrigerator we can store it for a month. For better results, we can take them in a refreshing drink form. You need to take 1 teaspoon of seeds and soak them overnight. In the morning, add lemon and honey to it. See, lemon will help in iron absorption in our body. I hope you'll surely get benefit from this superfood. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Goodbye.